Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Let's dive into numpy's uint16 data type, which stands for unsigned 16-bit integer. This data type can represent integers in the range of 0 to 65,535. It is particularly useful when dealing with data that does not require negative values and can be constrained within this range. What is numpy? NumPy is a popular Python library used for numerical computing. It provides support for arrays, matrices, and a collection of mathematical functions to operate on these data structures efficiently. Why use uint16? Using uint16 can save memory compared to standard Python integers, especially when dealing with large datasets that only require non-negative integer values. Choosing the right data type can also improve performance in terms of computation speed and memory usage. Creating a uint16 array. You can create a uint16 array using numpy's numpy.array function by specifying the type parameter. Here's how you can do that. Operations with uint16. You can perform various operations on uint16 arrays, such as addition, subtraction, and more. However, be mindful of overflow since uint16 cannot represent values outside the range of 0 to 65,535. Example of overflow. Useful functions with uint16. NumPy provides various functions that can be used with uint16. Here are a few examples. 1. Sum. Calculate the sum of elements in an array. 2. Mean. Calculate the mean of elements in an array. 3. Max/min. Get the maximum or minimum value from the array. Reshaping and slicing. You can also reshape and slice uint16 arrays just like any other NumPy arrays. Conclusion. Using uint16 in NumPy can be a great choice for memory-efficient storage of non-negative integers. However, always keep in mind the limitations of the data type, especially concerning overflow. This tutorial covers the basics of creating, manipulating, and performing operations with uint16 arrays in NumPy. Feel free to experiment further with other operations and functions to discover more about how uint16 can fit into your numerical computing tasks.